welcome to Cheddar Village. In this video we are going to take a walk in Cheddar Gorge, which is the beautiful spot in south of England. We are also going to explore Cheddar Village, which is a quaint English village in Somerset. There are various car parks in the area. You can park your car in the village and then start the walk or park on the side of the road. These are mostly pay and display, but there are a few spots where you can park for free. We're here on Sunday on a long weekend and it's busy here because it's one of the popular destinations in the UK. So we are going to take the official route. When I say official one, I mean the main one that you can do the circle and come back to the town. The whole walk is around 6 kilometers. 4 miles, and it's pretty easy. It's not a really challenging or difficult hike. It's just a walk, but you might find it steep, but you can do it. Even though the village is quite busy, but apparently not many people take this path and they just walk through the gorge or drive through and take photos or videos. So the path is not busy, which is better.
You actually have to walk just less than a kilometer through the woods to get to the cliff top, so it's not too bad. You don't even have to do the whole walk if you don't want to.
Cheddar Gorge is the largest and the most famous gorge in the UK. It reaches a maximum depth of 137 meters, more than 400 feet. The gorge was formed over 1 million years ago during the last ice age. But did you know that the Britain's oldest complete human skeleton was found here in one of the caves? The skeleton is estimated to be 9,000 years old. It belongs to an adult male and is known as Cheddar Man. Interestingly, he had dark skin and blue eyes, quite different from many modern Englishmen. Even though the path is very short, but you go through different sceneries, not just a cliff. And now we are going through a flower field. I don't know what are these flowers, but they're beautiful.
The circle trail goes back onto the road, and you can cross the road and you go around to go on the other side of the gorge, so you can see the gorge from both sides.
Yesterday before coming here, I checked the weather and the forecast said it should be sunny. It's not sunny and it's not very cold and windy. It's good, but I just felt a drop of rain. So let's keep our fingers crossed for no rain. It actually started raining, and there is a saying goes that if you dance when it rains, your wishes come true.
Actually, since it was raining quite a lot and my jacket was completely soaked and the car was not very far on the road, we just decided to walk to the car. I grabbed my proper waterproof jacket, and then we're gonna resume the walk on the other side, and hopefully also it will not start raining again, so that's good.
It's so beautiful here, even though we don't have a clear view because it's foggy, but it's so peaceful here. Apparently because of the rain, many people left and it's better. Oh, this is so pretty. It's the field of pepper flowers. We are finally at the top. We were actually on the other side and we can see the people are walking, and now we are this side. Here we have a great view of the village and the lake, and it's nice to take some photos here and just relax, and it still is raining. There is a lookout tower and we can go up and see what we can see. Actually, a lot of people don't want to do the walk and they just buy a ticket and they come here, literally just climb some stairs, coming here and going on the tower. That's it. But we are here, so we don't need to buy a ticket, we can just go up. It's so narrow and actually you can't see much. You can have a view of the village and you can have a glimpse of the cliffs, but no, actually if you don't do the walk you can't see much. If you don't want to take a walk, you can literally buy a ticket, day pass, and just climb this ladder, which is actually a staircase, and come here and go to the tower, or just go to the top of the cliff and just come back. The walk ends in the village and it's good to spend some time in the village. There are a lot of like cute cafes, you can spend time, or tea rooms, and you can walk around. If you like cheddar cheese like I do, you should know that the cheese is coming from this region. I couldn't come to Cheddar Village but not buying the cheddar cheese, which is my favorite cheese in the UK.
If you want to spend the whole day in Cheddar, you can actually do quite a few activities. You can visit the caves, you can visit the museum, and you can also go for a walk. So it's up to you what you want to do. But you can also buy a ticket for £24 per adult that allows you to go and visit the caves and the museum, and also take the Jacob's ladder up so that you don't have to walk all the way around to go to the cliff tops.